Right then, let's see what's in this one. See lots of pollen coming in. Now this one, if I remember correctly, doesn't have a very big nest when we went into the winter. But it looks like they've come through all right. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seams of bees, so can't be bad. They dwindled quite a lot before the winter. I was getting worried. They seemed to start closing down, shutting down the nest quite rapidly and quite quick and early. But maybe that's a strategy that's worked for them, I don't know. There's a lot of that's 3 empty drawn frames there, so you can see what they would fill the box originally. Again, it's got some nectar in. Some nectar, a bit of pollen. See it glistening. Lots of pollen in there, or bee bread. Nectar in there. Right, we've got an unmarked queen there. I cannot remember, to be honest, whether she was marked from last year. And we can see her. She's right in the middle of the frame. Right there. I think she was last year's queen. I'll have to look on the records. But I think I will mark her though. She disappears. Let's put the frame down. It's better if you get her on her own. I've got 2 other bees in there with me, but hopefully shouldn't cause a problem. So I'll do last year's, which was blue. I'll check the records. I did forget to look before I started. Right, see the bees can come through, look, so this one's going to come through by the looks of it. Get her out of the way. See if we can get this other one out. If not, just trap the queen, hopefully. It's not quite. Mind your wing. That's it, don't damage the wing. Right, so let's put her there. Little blue dot. Move her down a bit, let her dry off a little bit. But it looks like a nice good pattern. There's a few drones in there. The queen's nice and safe now, so I don't mind shaking. But filled that already with eggs. There's a young larvae in there, so doing quite well. Same again there, looks all nice and healthy. See the waggle dance going on there. She's got a bit of pollen on her feet and she's telling them. There's another one going on there. One going on there. There's quite a few going on. Pollen in there, bee bread, some eggs as well by the looks of it, some larvae. It's a nectar, I don't even see it shining. Right, let's release the queen. The blue paint all over me, look. Blah. Lucky me and not the queen. Let's brush these off. Take it off anyway, and then when I do that she comes out the end that didn't have it on. There we go, just lovely, typical. And there she goes. Now now she's there nice and safe. I'm going to move this back over to here. And where those empty frames are, where's the brood? So that's the brood nest is that frame I just pushed away. That one there has got bee bread in. So what I will do is put some empty frames for her to lay into. These two empty frames over side of the it, and then hopefully she can lay into there with some room. I won't put a super on here yet. I'll wait till next week and have a look. We ain't got nothing, we've got no oil seed round here. Don't know where on. Just yet. So I'm not worried about the sudden insurge of nectar. But we'll see what room we got next week. Other than that, well happy with that. I'll check my records to see about the queen, see whether she was marked last year or not. I'll go from there. Right. Thank you very much.